Hey friends, we are here to count up our sinking fund totals for February 2026. Yeah, let's get right into it. Happy what day? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Did you just hear me whisper that? Happy Thursday. I think this is going to come out on Thursday. We will see. Maybe happy weekend, depending when this comes out. Anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful day, no matter what day it is. Okay, so this is my planner, the budget planner. It's available on Amazon. It's linked below in my description box directly, as well as in my Amazon storefront, along with my other budget planners, savings challenge books, and like miscellaneous books that I created that are for sale. If you want a full flip through of this or any of my other books, I have a full playlist on the complete like flip throughs of my books because Amazon just doesn't show pictures and I don't know why. So you can find full flip throughs of every single page of the book on my playlist. And if YouTube will do the fancy like link thingy in the video, I will link this, but I don't think they do that for Amazon. So there we go. Okay, so we are on February 2026 and wow, just wow. I need to turn to my sinking funds page, and what I need to do is grab a marker or a pen first off, and I need to transfer over my totals from last month. So we are working on February 2026. This is an undated planner, so you fill in your date because you can do this planner in 2026 or 2036 because it's undated. So we're working on February 2026, and I am going to flip back to January, and I'm going to transfer over all of my sinking fund categories, and then my starting balance for February is going to be my ending balance for January. I hope that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is move my paperclip out of the way here. I am going to actually fold over this right here so I can transfer over my categories and not have to flip back. And then once I have the categories all written out, then I can kind of flip back and forth and just fill in my totals. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer everything over and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is all finished. At the end of January, beginning of February, we had $2,952 in our sinking funds. And let's see what we have now. I do have, was this one or two? Two finished challenges to add here into my envelopes. So I will do that as we get to that particular envelope. But we're just gonna go ahead and get started here with this. And it's not the end of February yet, but I don't really plan on adding any more money into anything for February. And even if I do, it's fine. I'm not that critical or that perfect. So I just did a condensing. If you didn't catch that, that was my last video. So go check that out if you're interested. But it should make all of these envelopes much faster and easier to count. So yeah, so that's a good thing. Okay, so starting with Amazon Prime, we had 280. We now have 200, 305. So 305. And I should definitely get my calculator out because you guys just know me, right? Is this even all in frame? I believe so. My camera is a little bit higher now, so it's hard for me to see. Before I was able to like just see the camera as I was filming, but it's a little bit higher up now and it's harder for me to see. Okay, so we added 25 there plus 25. Okay, beauty. We had 58. Let's see what we have in here now. We have 20, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So still 58, no change in there. I did book my next massage for, I don't know, some month this year. Probably like April or May. Probably May, I'm guessing. So I do need to save up some money, some more money in there. because yeah, I need to obviously pay for that. Okay, vacay. This is one where I have a finish challenge. I have this $500 here. This was from the Grow Your Savings Challenge. So this, wait, actually, I think I already put it in my finish challenge envelope. I was going to say, so I'd have to put the dashboard in there, but no. I believe I put the actual challenge there in my finish challenge envelope. Now, what I want to do actually before I put this in is condense it, because I did not condense these couple finish challenges in my condensing video. But I obviously want to try to keep this as thin as possible before I put it in the envelope. So what I'm doing here is just separating out all the real cash from the prop money. And then let me see if there's anything here that I can condense. Okay, so 2 100s for a 200. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95. 20, 40, 50. Take a 50. 5, 10, 15, 20. Put those away and take out a 20. Okay, I think that's all I can do with this. So give me a minute to put all this back together, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so that is together. I just want to make sure that this is still 500, because you guys know I tend to make mistakes. So 2, 3, 3, 50, 70, 90, 410, 430, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500. So 500 there, and then I do need to go through and add this on my tracker. Okay, so now I need to add all of this cash into the main pile, and then we can count it up. Okay, so at the end of last month in vacation, we had 313. We now have 2, 300, 50, 400, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 800, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 816 now. So that's 503 that we added, right? 3 and 3, 1, 5. Yeah. So we added 503, which is excellent, which is basically just that finish challenge plus $3 from my little randomizer thingy. Really quickly, I'm going to check. I just want to make sure my little budget sheet is up to date here. I believe I already subtracted that 500 from Grow Your Savings. Yes. Okay. I just want to try to keep this up to date with where I'm at, because yeah, this is telling me how much more money I need to save, but that is all up to date. So that is excellent. And this is still a fat stack. Actually, there's more I could condense in here because I condensed that 500 separately. So let me actually do that. I'll just do that off camera because I don't want to make you guys watch that and drag the video out. Okay, I actually wasn't able to do too much, just a little bit, but any little bit helps. Okay, so that's vacay. Subscriptions, I don't stuff anymore. Emergency. Okay, so emergency, I told you guys in my last video, I took out 180 from this to pay for NoahCon tickets. Last month we had 761 in here. The question is, should I subtract my IOU? Oh, I did subtract. Okay. I did subtract my IOU from my total. 581, 550, 70, 81. So yeah, we'll just put the actual total 581 because I took out 180. So that's minus 180. I was thinking in that other video that I didn't actually subtract it, but I did, which is good. That way I don't confuse myself, even though I did confuse myself. You see how very, very easy that is to do with me. Okay, medical. Last time we had 361. So we now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31. 331. I did not update my tracker. 331 because I took 30 out of here to go to the doctor. And this is why, my friends, why I keep trackers, because I need to like hold myself accountable, and I need to start subtracting the money when I take it out rather than at another time, because then I can confuse myself very easily. So 331 minus 30, and I actually need to take some money out of here because we just got a $500 bill for our daughter. She had her adenoids out in January, and we got a $500 bill for it because that's our deductible. And my husband is paying it, but I wanted to give him some money towards that. So I'll probably take a good 100 or 150 out of that. Okay, so taxes, we had 143. We now have 2, 3, 50, 70, 90, 410, 430, 5, and 6. So 436 in here now, which is good. I still have not printed out literally one receipt yet to file my taxes, you guys. I am such a procrastinator right now with that. Oh, I just am not excited or looking forward to filing taxes whatsoever, and so I just have no urge or rush to do it. But I really need to. 293, so that's plus 293. I was going to say I would really love to get it done before we go away, but actually I need to have it done before we go away because the tax deadline is like the day before we leave. So yeah, I only have like another month and a half or so, or maybe even a little less. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, Penelope. Let's see. We had 250. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 51, 2. So 252 in here. So we only added $2. That's okay. And she actually has a grooming appointment tomorrow. So I think around $55 is going to come out tomorrow for that. Okay, car maintenance. This is the other finished challenge that I have that I need to add in. This was from my monthlies. I saved $26 a month into an extra fund, and that's what we chose this time. So 10, 20, 5, and 6. So let me really quickly add 26 on my tracker. Okay. I am hoping I don't need this fund for like ever because we just got that new car. Not new, it's used, but it's almost brand new. It's a 2025. So I'm really, really hoping I don't have to touch this for a while, but my brother-in-law thinks we're going to need tires next year, so we'll see. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 196, and we did have 170, so we just added that 26 bucks, which is good. Car maintenance doesn't get stuffed a whole lot, so I'm glad it got a little bump. Holidays, we did have 75. I think we still have that. 20, 40, 55, 65, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 75 in here. That's going to be coming out anytime because of Easter. I basically use this for Easter. Like literally that's pretty much the only time I spend this money. But 75 is not enough for 2 kids. Let me know, how much do you guys spend on Easter baskets for your children? Or like if you have one, how much do you spend? I have 2 smaller kids, and so Yeah, I'm just interested to know. Okay, $3 here in groceries, which is what we had last time, so no change there. If it's not a magic month, you don't see a whole lot of change here in my envelopes because, well, frankly, there's just not enough money to go around. And so I really only end up stuffing like usually 3 to 4 savings challenges every month, or sinking funds rather, 3 to 4 sinking funds every month. So a lot of my funds just kind of go like unnoticed or unstuffed, I should say, every month. So there's not a whole lot of change. Okay, birthdays, we had 255. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 315 in here, which is good. So plus 60. Okay. We are almost done, I promise. Next in here is kids. We started kids with 213. And we now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 228 in here now. So 5, 15. Plus 15 in there, which is good. And last but not least, we're going to do Christmas. I didn't do Christmas last year, but I decided this year I wanted to because it is a savings challenge that I do. So why not? And last month we had $70 in here and we still have a 70. So no change there. I really need to like bump this up majorly because my goal is 2,000 again for this year. I did not get to 2,000 last year. And last year, by the end of February, I already had like 3 or 4 challenges done. This year, I have literally $70. So, yeah, I'm really, really behind this year, but it's just there's not enough money to go around. And so, I have to do what is a priority. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is add up my ending balance, and I'll be right back. Okay, so at the end of February 2026, we have $3,666 in there, which is amazing. Love that. And so if we take 3666 minus 2952, it means we added $714 in the month of February. Wow, that's amazing. We love that. So as the last thing here, what I'm going to do is go ahead and total up this difference column, and it should add up to plus 714. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, boom, perfect, plus 714. So yeah, we added a little over $700 into our sinking funds this month, and we love that. Okay, that is it for this one, my friends. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. I'm so grateful that you're here. I love you. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.